Yeah. You can only do this in certain days when it's not in flood. When it's in flood, there's no way you can do it. See what let's notice here. Stepping stones, or using the signals, gives you that they are not using in this position in chemistry if you're wet. The water is deeper and flows stronger and faster. Please consider whether you and your children are capable of crossing. Some stones can become loose. Never attempt to cross the stepping stones if the river is fast flowing and the water level is close to the top. Are you doing it? Yeah. Alright. Let me take a picture of you with your phone. Just pause this.